I'm what you would call a nature buff. I like to be outside whenever possible. Here's an example of nature. I'm very clearly outside. But you gotta respect nature because it's very powerful and can totally fuck you up. Like when you're out in the wilderness, don't be drinking this stuff. Nature has its place, specifically outside. So in other words, flies, don't be coming inside the house. Here's another example of nature. It's a grasshopper or locust or some kind of bug, but it's okay because it's outside. Whoa, don't be flicking your leg at me. Respect nature whenever you can. Just remember, nature does not respect you.